So the first thing we're going to see is disc fluid reservoir. So this is the disc fluid reservoir. I'm going to show you closely. We are going to open the cap of this reservoir and have a look onto the existing fluid. It's been a long time that this bike has been serviced. As you see, the fluid level is almost empty. And the fluid had started converting into gel. It's not a good sign. We'll need to remove this dirty oil, and I'm going to use an injection to suck the dirty oil out of it. It is clearly visible that the viscosity and the thickness of the fluid has gone down. So I'm going to use a dry cloth to clean this. With this kind of condition, you really cannot expect a good braking system. So make sure that you clean this entire reservoir first. The condition seems to be very bad, so I'll try to clean this as much as I can. As you see, the reservoir is clean, and now we are ready to use the new fluid. So I'm going to use a .3 fluid. It is recommended to either use a .3 or a .4. The instructions are given on the cap of the reservoir. I've already highlighted it. You can clearly see that it's a .3 or a .4 Blake fluid. So I'm going to top up the reservoir, and I must say that the current condition looks much better than before. Just make sure that you do not press the lever while the reservoir is in open condition. Otherwise the fluid may come out. Just make sure to clean the cap before you place it on. Now press the lever a couple of times till you get a proper compression. So as I'm pressing it, the fluid will go through the cable to the caliper. This is the bleed valve, and I'm going to connect this pipe to the bleed valve and put the other end in the bottle. So let me loose the valve and show you something. As you see that the fluid have started coming out, and this is the dirty one from the cable. As we start the bleeding process, you will see that the new fluid will start entering into the cables. So we'll need to do small top-ups as we are going to bleed it a couple of times. So the real process starts now. Once I do a top-up, I will keep pressing the lever in order to remove any air from the cable. Once the air is completely out, press and hold the lever tight. And then loose the bleeding valve. And you will see that the compression is gone. So I'm going to tighten the valve again. I will press the lever so that it can push the new fluid to the caliper. So press and hold it again. Release the valve, and that will release the old fluid to the bottle. We need to keep repeating this process till we see the new fluid in the bottle. So press and hold it again. Loose the bleeding valve. and then tight it again. As you see that the fluid level has gone down, it's just because the new fluid have started entering in the cables. So we'll need to do a small top up again. And then fix the cap. I'm sure you're ready to do this process by yourself.
Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Modern.